Cobblestone Crocs, Mr. Pitts here with another short math lesson. This week we're going to be talking about division, and so today I'm going to be going over some division strategies. And so these are some of the strategies that we worked on earlier this school year. And so we're going to be looking today at the problem 72 divided by 3. Now, one of the strategies we talked about earlier was skip counting. And so when you skip count to a high number like 72, it's important that you write those numbers down so you can make sure you're following along correctly. And so I would like you to count with me, please. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72. Now I'm going to find out how many threes that I used, and so I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I used a total of 24 threes. So 72 divided by 3 would be 24. So let's look at some other strategies that we did earlier this school year. One that we also used was to combine groups into larger chunks. So when I'm thinking about a larger chunk, I'm thinking about what times 3 can give me another number I can work with. And I'm going to use 12 as another number I can work with. And how I get 12 using 3 is I multiply it times 4. So I'm going to be using groups of 4 threes. So 4 times 3 gives me 12. So 12 plus 12 gives me 24. 24 plus 24 give me 48. So now I know that I've used a total of 4 12s because each 24 is worth 2 12s. Now I add another 12, so 48 plus 12 equals 60. 60 plus 12 equals 72. So now I gotta remember how many 12s I used. I used 1, 2, remembering that each 24 is worth 2, 4 of them, 6. So I used a total of 6 12s. Now I know that each 12 is worth 4 threes. And so to find out how many threes I used here, I'm going to take the number of 12s and I'm going to multiply that times the amount of threes I have in each group, which is 4. And 6 times 4 would give me a total of 24 threes. Another strategy that you can use is to use multiplication facts you know. Earlier this school year, we worked with multiplying multiples of 10. So I know that 20 times 3 would give me 60. I know I'm trying to get to 72, so I know I still need 12 more. So I think about how many 3s make 12, so I think back to the previous strategy we used, and I know 4 of them make 12. So I do 4 times 3, and so now I have 60 plus 12 gives me 72. So now I need to see how many 12s I use, how many 3s I used, sorry. I used 20 threes here, and I used 4 threes here, and 20 plus 4 equals 24. So I got 24 threes. So using each strategy, I came up with the same answer. So 72 divided by 3 would be 24. So today when you're working on your division problems, I want you to be thinking about these 3 different strategies that I went over. And I'd like to see you try to use one of them to solve the problem, and you could even use another one to check your answer. All right, thank you.